Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at the LD Waffle by Nike in collaboration with Japanese luxury fashion brand Sacai and also Japanese streetwear label Undercover in the night maroon and team royal colorway. These released on the 29th of October 2021 here in the UK for the retail price of £155. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic from Offspring London Selfridges, and it comes in an orange Sacai Nike box with the style code being DJ4877600. Open up the box comes with shoes in black undercover wrapping paper. It includes an extra set of two laces, one being a black satin silk with gold aglets and the other a thin grey wax rope lace with gold aglets. As much as I love the added accessories, we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. 2021 has been a strong year for the Sacai LD Waffle. This time in collaboration with Undercover, it features a deep maroon nylon mesh upper with smooth back leather, hairy grey suede, royal blue hits on the collar, outsole and leather swooshes that sits on both sides of its mid panel. White Nike and Sacai branding can be seen on its black insole. The double swoosh tongue and lace theme continues on this pair with its double stacked white midsole with black Nike, Sacai and Undercover branding on the extended heel. I recommend staying true to size for a nice snug fit. I wish these did not include the royal blue for a clean black, grey and maroon colorway, but these are still very nice. So that's my thoughts. Now it's time for yours. Did you manage to pick these up? Did you miss out or did you pass? Thanks for watching. Please comment cover to show me you watch this video to the end. It's at Samuel Sago on my social media links. Apart from that, have a good day.